It's matching activity time, and my printer doesn't have a lot of color. So if you don't have a printer, what you can do is you can recreate this picture onto your Thought School journal. What you're going to do is you're going to print this page and then your page that's gonna have your little cutting pieces, which I created and cut one. And what we're going to do is the same thing we did in September. We're going to match each of the shapes. So we're gonna look at the shape and we're going to match it. A great activity that you can do is if you have a shape puzzle that's like wooden, those puzzles, you can match these little shapes into that, or those wooden shapes into this sheet before you glue them. And that's it. The idea is to just give them different ways to recognize the shapes using fun little characters and materials that they can handle and they can use. You can keep it separate as a game that you can do over and over, or you can use glue and add some glue in the back and just create it as a painting, as a gluing activity.